Are you looking to build a new career, gain a new skill, or perhaps learn a new coding language? Code Academy Uganda social enterprise is rising to the challenge and giving young children and youth computer skills that can potentially change their lives. For more, Africa 54 technology correspondent Paul Dio via Skype spoke to Edith Ndagire, a tech facilitator at Code Academy in Uganda.
Welcome to Africa 54.
Thank you very much.
You are part of an amazing organization called Uganda Code Academy. Tell me more about what it is all about and what you guys have been able to do.
Code Academy Uganda is a non-profit organization, and it was founded in 2018 with our CEO called Mr. Edward Sempala and our co-founder, Ms. Tugume Brenda. So at Code Academy, we run different programs where we have code school, code clubs, and code camps. We normally do it to cause interest and also cause excitement to the children out there in school. And also through code school, we train teachers themselves in those schools so as to help the children and engage with all that. We delegate the tasks to them during school period, because it's normally run on Sundays. We in Code Camp, we normally engage parents to make a payment, a certain fee for the children to learn how to code. And our vision is to envision Africa where every child has that opportunity to program a computer. We don't want to leave any child behind.
Interesting, not to leave any child behind when it comes to coding. For starters, people who don't understand what coding is all about, what is coding?
Simple terms, is programming, where you have to instruct a computer to make a program, to do a certain task for you, to engage it, to do what you really want. And that's that's where the robotics come from. Like, you program this robotic to do something for you.
How important is developing these computer skills for the next generation of young people?
Most people think coding is something extremely difficult, but as you get to learn the basics, you require good problem-solving skills. So with this attention, you're able to acquire more skills, and with these skills, you can start up your own maybe company to make those different websites. You can get the good gigs. You can always get the good jobs. So basically, coding is a good thing to go.
For purposes of the Code Academy, you interact with a lot of parents, a lot of young kids who come to the academy. What are their concerns? What is it that they want to learn about coding, about computers, about programming?
Most students come when they really want to make cartoons. When they watch TV and see Tom and Jerry, they really want to make their own version. So most of them come when they really want to do the animations. Others want to start making robots that will help them wash dishes at home. And someone wants to make a robot that will make them, that will help them wash clothes. So basically, as young children, they want to know, like, they want to do all this, that, and that. So as a Code Academy, we help them embrace whatever they want to do and also train them to do what they really want to do as they think for themselves.
What coding languages are you teaching these young people?
If you're very young, there's an age group, those who have not interacted with the code before or who don't know about computer. It starts with a Scratch program. But then as you get further, you enroll for different modules where we have got Python, TD. We also have the 3D printing program module. And then we also have web development. Under web development, we do train children using different languages, and that's Python and JavaScript based on preference. And also we introduced a course that is called Computer Science course. We introduced it this year. That one is going to be helping them acquire certificates, so as they can, as we are also trying to merge with the ministry, so as to use these certificates as they are acquiring their diplomas or degrees.
Can anybody from all sorts of backgrounds do what you do? Can they become a coder? Can they become a computer programmer? Can they become an app developer?
Coding is a good career. So anyone with a business, maybe mindset, an entrepreneur, or any financial course, they can always do coding. It's all about the interest and the zeal with the determination they have. But they can always come to do code.
Edith Indagire, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much for